Are you looking to accelerate your career growth and you are thinking about moving to the next level in your career, right? If yes, then this program is definitely the right choice for you. Hi everyone, my name is Manav. I'm the founder and CEO of INSAID, and I invite you to the XLRI Executive Program in General Management that is designed for ambitious professionals just like you. Now here are three key USPs of this program that makes it the programmer's choice for busy professionals like you. Number one, this program is from one of the top 5 business schools in India, that is XLRI. When you graduate out of the program, you don't only learn the skills, but you have a brand like XLRI in your resume for an entire lifetime. The best part is that you get executive alumni status of XLRI for a lifetime as well, which means the opportunities for you will be very different in market, which also means that the opportunities that are right now not available to you because of the lack of credentials will be accessible to you. You have the XLRI benefit, XLRI edge after doing this program called the Executive Program in General Management. The second key USP of the program is that this program is designed and delivered by both the XLRI faculty and industry experts. While majority of the program is going to be delivered by the top XLRI faculty, we have also brought in components from the industry, and some top industry professionals will also be teaching you in the program. The program's beauty lies in the end-to-end coverage of all the topics that you would require as a business leader, as a CXO, right from HR to marketing to sales to leadership communication to doing digital transformation to knowing even corporate governance. Everything that you need to know that you possibly do not have right now knowledge about, you will be building that knowledge skill set in this program over a period of 11 months. The third key benefit of the program is the strong focus on not only learning but networking. This program comes with 2 campus immersions. During the program, 2 times you will get to travel to the XLRI campus and you get to stay at the XLRI campus. And not only do you get to stay, you get to know your peers firsthand, and when you walk out of the program, you have a very powerful network that is ready to make you successful as you proceed in your career. These 2 campus immersions are free of cost, are included in the program. Apart from this, there are some other personal favorites that I have about this program that you definitely want to see. That number one part is the boardroom simulation. This is the only program which comes with something like boardroom simulation. How do you present as a business leader in front of a boardroom? You will be doing those simulations in the program. Additionally, this comes with corporate challenges, and this also comes with a lot of interaction to ensure that not only are you learning, but you are applying those concepts in the real world. I invite you to live your dreams and to move up in your career by joining the XLRI Executive Program in General Management. This will prove to be a game changer for you and will provide you that edge that will open up those doors for opportunities that you are looking to crack next over the next 10 years of your career. Sign up for the program, and if you have any questions, just reach out to your learning advisor and he or she will be happy to help you with more details about the program.